Okay guys, I'm going to show you a quick video about how to create new versions of the code. All right, so what you want to do, first of all, you're going to open what's called Arduino, which is the software we are going to use for uh, our code. So it's Arduino. And if you saw what I did there, to do it again, I clicked on the magnifying glass and I brought up the search bar. And again, Arduino. You'll see this icon here, and you can just double click and wait for the Arduino app to open. Now, if you're doing this, you've gotten to this point, I put some files on your computer. I installed Arduino, which is opening right now. And I've also put some other files. So ignore this for now. But what I want you to do is I want you to click on File, then go down to Open, File, Open. And then on the left here, I want you to look at Desktop. On Desktop, you'll see a folder called Laughing Robot Cars. All right, now this folder has everything you need for one version of the code that you put on the car, and this is the one we all are putting on and testing. All right, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to look for this file. There's only one in there, green, 4-in-1. Okay, and it says 4-in-1 Smart Robot Car Remote. I'm going to open it. Okay, and now that it's opened, I want you to save it because I don't want to change the remote version. So once again, I'm going to go up here to File. Now I'm going to say Save As. I'm going to go to Save As, and I'm going to go back to Desktop. And I'm going to go back to Laughing Robot Cars. All right, and now when I save this, it's going to save another folder. But I want to change the all caps at the end, and I'm just going to put my name. You can put your name. All right, so 4-in-1 multifunction smart robot car John, and save. And as you can see, if I go down here and open up my folders again, and I go into robot cars, try it again, double click, and it opens, and now I've created John. All right, now let's say we just want John to be the original. So we have a remote original, John original. So let me do my first change. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to go Save As, Desktop, Laughing Robot Cars, and all I'm going to do, this is similar to the Deep Racer, John 1. Okay. Now, what I also am going to do is, oh, boom, there's our code. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on this section, find line tracing, which is pretty close to the top, and we're just going to talk about these four right here. I want you to find that 130, 160, 160, 130, and these are the numbers that we're going to change. All right. So I'm going to show you this for a second. So if you look here, all right, for this center trial value black, let's find that. Oh, center trial value black, and it says 130. Oh yeah, it's 130. That's the original code. Now it says that I can make these changes for these results. So I would click on here, and I might change 130 to anywhere from 140 to 180. All right, that's that section if I want to change. Now, if I go down to the change where it says left trial value black, oh, left trial value black, there it is. All right, that's good. And I can change 160 to whatever I want. All right, great. Now, for this bottom section, um, oh, sorry, no, this is the same section. Hang on a second. Oh, so this is the same section. Sorry for that break. This is the same section, but we're going to go here, left and right. You want these to be, by the way, you want these to be the same number. And we're going to change these values if we want more of a sharp correction when it turns, when it locates the line, 80 to 110. The thing I just showed you is 100 to 140. So these two numbers are going to be anywhere from 80 to 140. And you can look at that. And then the last one is just this bottom area, line recovery, move forward, speed. The code is just else move forward 130. There it is, else move forward 130. And suggested range 60 to 100. All right, so this is telling us to change from 130 and bring it way lower for faster realignment when it misses the line, or to slow the search so it's more stable and just holds the line and isn't looking all over the place. All right, now you can change these numbers to whatever you want, but these are kind of the ranges, the top, bottom to the top, where you can adjust for performance. All right, you guys, that's about it. Thanks. I'm good. Yep. Wow, you guys are perceptive. How you doing? Good to see you, man. It's been a while. What's up? Let me post this classroom, and then be back. All right, guys, just come in and log into Google Classroom. I'll have it up in a second. You ready? Look at the screen real quick. CS. Yeah, see who's my CS? Yeah. It's everybody here. I had George helping me the other day. George? Yeah. Is he Crypto John? He's Crypto King. Crypto King, okay, Crypto King. All right, cool. Yeah, Arduino cars. So, you see the line course? Hey, YouTube, log in, classroom. Do the do now. Everybody do the do now. So, some of these guys are still finishing these. So we're going to need help with that. But we have people that are kind of all over in the range of stuff. So you can always just partner with somebody and help them finish their cars. There are a bunch of these guys who have already finished. And the original tracking that the Arduino gave to us, we uploaded it and it checks out. But there was a hardware issue, I sent it back. A lot of it is just obviously making sure you accurately connect wires to the board. Basic stuff. But the C stuff is all I really want to focus right now on the line tracking performance, which is right in here. All I want them to do is adjust the numbers. So I'm trying to just make it really, I'm giving them to them in really, really small bites. And so I posted this doc, which shows you